Hey guys, we're going to show y'all how to rekey a deadbolt. Take your old key, put it in, turn it. Take this, you'll twist this off. Set that aside, pull your pin, pop your little spring out. Take your white tube, push simultaneously all the way through, and then there's your pins. You got your contractor ball. Got to get rid of all the contractor pins. Okay. So now we will put our new key in and then take out this one on the end. See how it's not level. You take it, it's a 2. You look at your key, get your number. It'll be a number 4, put it in, make sure it's smooth. Then it's good to go right back in. Slide that simultaneously. Put your spring in, your pin. Make sure this right here is your top, pointing out. Line this back up. And screw it back on. Go all the way tight. Go all the way tight and back it off just a little bit. And then double turn it a couple times, take the key out, put the key in, good to go. And that's how you rekey a deadbolt.